Need to streamline your emails? Let's show you how to create templates in Outlook. Start by opening a new email message in Outlook. Type out the content you want to reuse. You can remove your signature or any other elements you don't need. Next, click on File in the top left corner, then select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose where to save your template. From the Save As Type drop-down, select Outlook Template, AOFT. Give your template a name and click Save. To use your shiny new template, open a new email message. Go to File. Open User Templates in File System. Pick your template and click Open. Alternatively, you can go to File. New from Template. Pro tip: keep your templates organized in a dedicated folder. You can also edit the template content anytime before sending. In the new Outlook, check out the My Templates add-in in the ribbon menu. For Outlook Web, go to New Message, More Actions. Get add-ins. Admin Managed. My Templates. There you go. You're all set to streamline your email process.